guys, so today I want to share with you about price performance. I think it's important, like you saw in the title of this video. So Bitcoin, BTC, and versus Ethereum, ETH, versus X, HEX. So yeah, from the last bear market 2018 to last year 2021, so the all-time high, previously high all-time high was a high of $20,000 on BTC, on Bitcoin. So I'm trying to do a lot of math now. It's not easy. So the all-time high of Bitcoin was 20K. So the all-time high last year, 2021, was approximately 70K, 69 something thousand. But let's round it to be easier the math right now. So that means we have what? 20 times 2, 40 times 3, times 3, 60. So it will be a 4x times so 4 times 2, 80. We did 80 all time high. So we'll call it, for just to round the math, at 3x and a half. Ethereum was 1,500, 1,500. So that means it did a 5K last year, $5,000. So that means it was, double of 1,500, 3K. It would be a 6K. So if it was 6K, I mean, yeah, it was 4 times. Okay. Let's measure now from the lowest levels. It dipped Bitcoin, BTC, I think around 3,400. So it's a 10x. If you do it 35K, 10x. So it is 20x, because the double of 35 is 70, right? So if my math doesn't, if it serves me, if I'm not wrong, it's a 20x from the lowest price that dipped on 2018. Why I'm doing all this math? And I will continue for Ethereum, the same. So Ethereum, it went back 2018, the lowest, because I bought a lot, I remember very well, it was $80. So 10x, it's $800. So 20x, 8 times 2, 16. 20x, 16 times 2, 32. 40x, right? And it went up. So it's more than 40x. So Bitcoin, we said it did a 3.5x from the all-time high, 20K last year. From the bottom of the price, the bear market, it did how it was because driving and calculating without notes is not easy to calculate all this, but yeah, 3,400, 10x, it's 34K. It did almost 70. It will, 20x from the bottom of the bear market. And Ethereum, it did also 4K from 1,500 to 5,000, and from the bottom $80. So yeah, around also I think 40x, because then it's 800 times 2, 1600, yeah, bips on X, it's part of the game, that's right, but what I mean, it's we don't have, it will be the first bear market that X will have. Now, the price, honestly, today I didn't check the price, yesterday it was around 4 cents again, so let's see how much will dip X and how much it will go high, the price of X in the next bull market, the next cycle, because for now, we just know that X was launched December 2019, it dipped after more or less 1 month, on 5 of January 2020, and then it did a 10,000X, you know, so yeah, Bitcoin did we already know almost 4x from the all-time high, 40x from the bottom, 3,400. Ethereum did also 4x from the all-time high from the last bear market 2018, more than 40x from the bottom, and X, you know, because it was starting the project, it was 10,000x. I know it's a little maybe boring this video of today because it involves math. Honestly, I don't like too much math, but when it's about numbers, about business or money, I'm not very bad. Not very bad. I'm actually not so bad at all. So what I mean, it's, yeah, this is just a reflection, because the other day I was having a discussion. Someone told me, oh, did you saw Bitcoin at I think it went to 19k and it was 21k. So that person said to me, oh, it already went up $2,000, I should invest in Bitcoin. And I said, no, what the fuck you're doing, saying? You don't understand math. And by the way, this person has a university degree, so at least did a math, because, you know, I just did a high school technician level back in Portugal. My studies, it's just technician level, technician for IT. I'm not a software engineer or any kind of engineer, but what I mean, it's yeah, that person didn't understood. Doesn't matter the price, if it's 20k it goes to 25k. What you should measure, it's the percentage gains, you know. So X, example, this is just an example, X can go from 4 cents to 5 cents, and it went up, let's say 15%, and Bitcoin from $20,000 to 22 or 23, the example I don't remember, but I just measure it was, I think 3% Bitcoin went up, or 4% maximum, and X did I think 12%. So what matters, it's like that question I did also to someone that didn't understood, when you're comparing currencies, in this case cryptocurrency against other cryptocurrencies, you need to have the same common denominator, which is in dollars or euros, because what it's more heavy, 1 kilogram of iron or 1 kilogram of cotton. That person said, oh, of course it's what is more heavier, it's 1 kilogram of iron, not the 1 kilogram of cotton. I said, no, the common denominator is 1 kilo. The logic, the error logic you're doing, it's you need a lot of volume of cotton to have 1 kilo, maybe a room full of cotton. This is a big example so you understand my point. And maybe to have 1 kilo of iron, you can have it on your hand. But 1 kilo, it's 1 kilo. It's the same denominator. So Bitcoin doesn't matter if it goes from 20k to 25k. If it just increases 4%, it's not more than X going from 4 cents to 5 cents. That it's more percentage, you know. It will be like 10 or 11, 12%. That matters, it's a percentage. Okay, guys, you already know. If you want to buy X, description down below. You need Bitcoin to do that. If you need to buy Bitcoin with a credit card, description down below. Use that link, you have the best rates. Also use a hardware wallet, description down below. We ship worldwide, and the cheapest hardware wallet, 24.99 euros. If not, use another competitor, another supplier. See you in the next video. Take care, guys, and have a good day. Bye bye for now.